y'all, Diva here. I'm so excited. You guys don't know how excited I am. I just got a phone call from my brother 20 minutes ago telling me that okay, so let me give you the backstory. My brother's having a baby, and this is his first baby, and he just called to tell me that his girlfriend is being induced, so I'm gonna be an auntie. Oh my god, my heart is racing. I feel like it's me about to have my baby. You know, he just sounded so nervous on the phone, and I'm just like, calm down, get your bag, get your toothbrush, get some chargers, have a nice lunch. She's in the hospital. As long as she's in the hospital, she's fine. Just, you know, take a nice deep breath and just, you know, take your time with gathering all your things together. But meanwhile, my heart is like dun 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 dun. So because the baby's coming today, I thought I was gonna have an opportunity to make a basket, being that she was gonna have the baby, I believe, Monday. But I'm kind of, you know, running out of time. So what I'm gonna do now, being that it's my lunch hour, is I'm gonna go to where? Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go and make a nice little basket to bring them today. I already started picking out a few things, but I do want to pick up, I saw that they had little blankets and little things like that. So I'm like, I'm so nervous, guys. Oh my gosh, she's having his first baby. I'm gonna be an auntie. Did I just say that? I know I'm just repeating myself. But thank you for all the love you guys have been showing me. You don't understand how that feels. I'm getting a lot more subscribers. I'm getting feedback. I'm getting comments. It's just an abundance of positivity, of positive comments. And I'm so happy that you guys are showing me some love. I mean, you know, I'm just starting out. This is all very new to me, so I'm learning things, and I'm learning how to, you know, present things to you guys. But I'm gonna take a deep breath now, because I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree now, see what I can come up with, see what kind of basket I could present to them. And I just can't wait till the day is over for me to go see the baby. Oh my god, baby Christian is coming. Guys, what do you think of my big lashes? They're like big right now, right? I don't know, but I'm digging them, but they kind of look like, okay guys. So I'm gonna go in right now to the Dollar Tree, see what I can come up with, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back. So I wanted to keep it within the $10 budget, but because of the basket and the shrink wrap that I wanted to include, it became $12 to $13. So that's pretty much how much I spent. So as I was picking up the things for the basket, I was already accommodating and fixing how the basket would look like. So I kind of just, you know, already started. But I was so surprised that they had this kind of basket. It's like they knew it was for my needs. But so I'm unveiling. This is the basket. But I'm gonna unveil what I was doing in the actual dollar store. So you see this right here? You see how beautiful this plastic basket is with the handles? How cute is that? So this is what I picked up. I picked up, which I thought this was so cute, because technically if the baby comes today, it's their birthday, the baby's birthday. So I picked up a 0 happy birthday candle. I picked up the fleece plaid blanket by Angel of Mine. So I rolled it up. I'm gonna put it back the way. I picked up this cute little bunny because it goes with the gray color, and it's soft and plushy. I picked up another fleece blanket. This one is with the blue hearts and gray, also by Angel of Mine. And it says it's 30 by 30 inches. Feels very soft. So I roll that back up. Again, I don't have the air conditioner on, so bear with me. I don't want you guys to have the background noise. And then I picked up 4 baby bandana bibs, which I think this is the cutest little thing they've created. So I picked up the gray and white stripes. I picked up the gray and white hearts. the plaid to go with the blanket. And this is like little diamonds, white and gray. So everything is kind of within the same colors, the gray color. So I'm putting this back in the front how I had it. Then I picked up the decorative shred because I'm going to put that to give it some height. And I picked up 2 bags because I don't know how high I'm going to go. Put it back. The bunny goes back. This is so exciting, guys. Oh my god, new baby's coming. Because I have 2 girls, so a boy is coming into the family, guys. Ooh, look, I got so excited and started ripping. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I should just rip it up now and do it. That's how excited I am. I'm just gonna show you guys what it will look like. Okay, I'm gonna put the shred wrap, but I picked up this ribbon. This is the blue with the blue elephants, and it says baby, because I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in a plastic. And then I haven't tried these. I'm always leery of trying these shrink wraps, but I'm gonna try it out to just put everything together. And if I see that it looks nice just the way it is without the plastic, I'll use it for something else. So I'll open this up, put it in the basket. See that? Wow, the gray and blue looks so pretty, right? I'm making these baskets on the side, right? Oh, Discount Diva has a creative side. Okay, so I'm gonna roll these blankets up again. See that? Right. Roll back up the other one. Ooh, sorry guys, I just honked. Put the bunny back into place. Ooh, that looks a little messy. Come on, if you're gonna make a basket, make it right. Okay, that's so cute. I'm loving this. Put back the bandanas in the front. So voila. Maybe I need to make this a little higher, just so that the bunny will pop out. Oh, I forgot the the candle in the back. And then I don't know if I should shrink wrap this, put it in that shrink wrap and then tie it in the bow, or just present it like this. Let me know, guys, because it's not till later on tonight. So if you guys give me some comments, feedback, do I just present it like this, or do I put it in the shrink wrap and tie it with the ribbon that I just showed you guys? Let me know. But either way, it's very cute. I'm really liking this little basket. Ooh, the bunny just keeps falling out. Okay, there you go. Here you go, bunny. And so cute. I could even like push these to the back, and I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, how exciting it is to have a baby come into this world, right? I'm flashing. But anyway, guys, I had to run back to the office. I did this on my lunch break. So, like I said, let me know if I should just incorporate it and put it in the plastic, or just leave it like that. Either way, I mean, I'm going to try and see what it would look like both ways. Maybe I should just try it out and see what it would look like. Let's see. What the? Oh, it comes with this kind of ribbon. I don't really like that ribbon. So. Oh, it's a really big group. Okay. Oh, so you would like kind of swoop it like that. Let me see. Let me see what it would look like. What I do it that way. so everything could just stay in place, right? Maybe it'll work out. So excited, guys. I'm gonna be an auntie. I don't think I've said that enough. I'm gonna be an auntie. So this is what it would look like, right? So I guess I would just tie it up like this with the ribbon. I don't know, what do you guys think? Because like I said, I still have a chance to put it together, you know? And I have the ribbon here. So, okay, now I have those little blue stuff all over my stuff. So, what do you guys think? Anywho, let me go because my makeup is starting to melt and I really have to get back to the office. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the feedback, the positive feedback that I'm getting, the comments. Thanks guys for all that positivity. I'm so happy and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. I'm truly finding a passion in this, especially, you know, I've never really made these kind of baskets, so I'm kind of just winging things, but I think that this basket is so adorable and affordable. I spent exactly $10 in the items, but the basket was $11, the shrink wrap was $12, and the ribbon was $13. So altogether I've spent $13 and the basket looks like it's worth a lot more. So guys, until next time, Discount Diva here. Have a great day and smile.